everybody. So I am here to tell you that I went to Walmart. I was excited to go to Walmart today. I was excited because it was a new month and I was excited to do some Ibotta deals. So the video is a little short today because there's just not a lot of deals, but I am here to share with you what I got. Here we have the Colgate Toothpaste for $6.96. It has to be for this one according to my Ibotta app, but we do have a $1 off coupon that you'd want to use. You would pay $5.96, but then there is a $5 rebate that you will get with Ibotta, and you'll get 310 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product through the Shopkick app, which is $1.24. So this product right here becomes a 28-cent moneymaker. We have the Ocean Spray Sea Spray, or one of these, for $5.47, and we have the Old Spice Dynasty. These are the ones that you have to scan for the Shopkick app. But we do have a $4 off of 2 coupon that you would want to use from the P&G. You would pay $8.44, but then there is a 400 kick and a 20 kick for purchasing and scanning the product for Old Spice, which is $1.68, and then there is a bonus if you buy another product with it, and I will show you that later. And then there's also a $2 rebate with Ibotta times 2, so your grand total would be $2.76 or $1.32 without the Shopkick bonus. Here we have the Playtex Sport is $6.68. We do have a printable coupon for $2. You would pay $4.68, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.68. Here we have the Ivory body wash. This is $3.97. You would pay $3.97, but then there is a Shopkick deal for 420 kicks when you purchase and scan the product, which is $1.68. So your total would be $2.29. Then you want to combine it with the Old Spice deal. Your grand total, you'll get an additional 300 points for doing the Old Spice and the Ivory, which is an additional $1.12. So your grand total comes to $3.93 or $1.31. Orange Crush is $2.48. You would want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $4.96. But there is a $1 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $3.96 or like $1.98 a piece. Here we have the Fit Aid drink for $2.48. We do have a $1 off Ibotta deal, and we have a 10-cent deal, so you would actually get this for $1.38. $1.38. Here we have the multi-meal for $3.34. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $6.68. But then you get 100 points for scanning it and 600 points for purchasing the product, which is $2.80. You buy 1 for this one and buy for this one, and then if you buy 2 of them, you'll get an additional 500 kick bonus, which is $2. So you'll get $7.76 back with Shopkick, making this a $1.08 moneymaker. Here we have the P.F. Chang's dressing. These are $3.28, but we currently have a $3.52 rebate with Ibotta. So you'll pay $3.28, submit your $3.52 rebate with Ibotta, making it a 24-cent moneymaker. The Campbell's soup for 98 cents. We currently have a deal for 35 cents off a 2 rebate with Ibotta. So you'll end up paying $1.96. Use that rebate. It comes out to be $1.61 or 80 cents a piece. Okay, so those are all the deals that I got. I was going to try to do a little bit more deals, but it was just hard. I had my children with me, and I really despise bringing... My daughter's not as bad, but when they're together, it's bad. So that is what I got. I didn't hardly get anything. It was so funny. I only had 1 coupon that I used. I used 1 coupon. It's crazy. I really wanted to get the equal, but my store, this is ridiculous. I've been trying to do this equal deal for like maybe 2 months now. We have those buy one get one free coupons, okay? I don't know how much the product is, but every single time I go back to the store, they have it faced, and those products expired back in December. They still have the expired products still on the shelf, and I kind of put them up above, and the person doesn't even look. Like when I worked in a grocery store, I looked, but they keep putting the expired product back on the floor. There is not 1 box that is not expired of both the calcium and the other one. So I actually took a piece of paper and I wrote all expired, and I put it right in front of the product. So we will see if it's still available, but that would have been a great deal to do for the equal. And then I wanted to do the Splenda Stevia. I don't have any coupons, but there was a stevia deal where you could get $1.50 back, and then there was also a deal that you would get $2.25 back with Fetch Rewards. But my store did not have that, and I wanted to get the Raisinets, but my store was sold out of the Raisinets for the second week. So that's pretty much the deals that I wanted to get, but let me share with the deals that I did get. And I forgot to share with you guys this video last week. I did it, but then I never showed it in my breakdown. So anyways, these were $3.34. You want to buy 2 of them. I've been finding these are the cheapest ones. I've been getting these because my stepdad's obsessed with like Captain Crunch, so that's why I got it. But you want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $6.68 for both of these. But there must be some kind of super sale going on. But you would get 100 points for scanning the product, and then I got 600 points for purchasing the product. So that's $2.80 that you will get back for purchasing and scanning the product with Shopkick. So, but when you buy 2 of them, you'll get an additional 500 points, which is $2. So you'll get $7.76 back with Shopkick, making this a $1.08 moneymaker. So you guys will get these for free, plus you will make a profit. So that was that. And yeah, this is my haul. It's kind of sad. I've never had it this small before. Never. But it's kind of nice not having so crazy deals. Now I kept checking my app to see if there was a Weekend Warrior, and there was nothing. Then when I got home, it finally popped up, but it did count. I just didn't know, but I kept looking and it was not showing up at all in the app. So that's why I didn't get crazy. But we'll see. We'll see. Between Walgreens and Walmart today, I might have to finish the Weekend Warrior this weekend. So this is P.F. Chang's. This is the Dynamite Ranch. Now, I did look in my app to find this product, and it did not say it was in there, but I did find this on the shelf. So sometimes it's a hit or miss with those freebies. All the other freebies that are available, my store never has them. But these were $3.28 at my store. You would pay $3.28, but then there is a $3.52 rebate with Ibotta. This comes out to be a 24-cent moneymaker. You'll get this for free. Then I got some soup because I love making soups, especially with cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. These are the ones that I use all the time, so why not stockpile it? They don't expire for 2 more years, so why not stockpile this stuff, because you can make stuff all the time. So these were 98 cents a piece. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $1.96. You can submit a 35-cent off to rebate with Ibotta, making these $1.61 or 80 cents a piece. Now they did have their own brand a lot cheaper, but some people are brand loyal for this, and I think you can submit your receipt to Box Tops. I don't know if I think they support Campbell's, so you want to check that out. Now, I also got this Fit Aid. This was $2.48. You would pay $2.48 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.48. But then I also had a 10-cent energy drink rebate, so this is technically $1.38. I ended up getting these because my son is obsessed with Orange Crush soda, so I got these for him just so he could have them. And this is a lot better for him than using the cans, so that's why. So these were $2.48. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $4.96, but then there is a $1 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $3.96. It's like $1.98 a piece or something like that. But not the greatest deal, but like I said, these I want my son to drink over the regular cans of soda. This is an easy deal. Now you have to get specific. This was $6.96. This was the only coupon. No, actually I used 2 coupons. I'm sorry. I used 2 coupons. I used a $1 off coupon for this one. So you would pay $5.96. But then you can submit a $5 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys can submit a 310-point Shopkick, which is equivalent to $1.24 with Shopkick, making this a 28-cent moneymaker. So I'm pretty excited to try this. This is going to be probably the next toothpaste that I use. So, the next deal we did is the Old Spice. Now, a lot of people were asking me what Old Spice works for Shopkick. It's this one, the Old Spice Dynasty. This one will work for it. This one will not. So it depends on how you guys want to do this deal. But I ended up doing these. This was $6.97 and this was $5.47. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got into the P&G inserts. I paid $8.44 for this. But then there is a $2 off rebate with Ibotta. Now these are the same rebates, so you get $2 times 2. And you'll get 300 points for you'll get 420 points for scanning and purchasing the product, which is $1.68, making these $2.76 or just $1.32 a piece. Okay, but then there's the Ivory body wash. This was $3.97. You would pay $3.97 for this, but again, you'll get 420 kicks to purchase and scan the product, which is $1.68, making this $2.29. But if you buy 2 of these together, but since we're making this a combined one, if you buy 3 of these together, you'll get an additional 300 points, which is $1.12. So with Shopkick combined, you'll get $4.56 for buying these 3 products. Your total ends up being $3.93 or just $1.31 a piece. So not the greatest deal, but I think it's still, I mean, from $7 to basically $1, I think that is a pretty good deal. So if you need to, sign up for that. But yeah, a lot of people are asking about it. This is the Old Spice Dynasty, but you want to read that coupon for the Old Spice. I was trying to figure out like what deal to get, so that is what. My total came to $37.73. I have not heard that in forever. My last transactions, everything has been over $100 every single time. I only received $14.97 back with Ibotta, and I received 3,450 points or kicks with Shopkick, which is equivalent to $13.80. My grand total was $8.96. I got 12 items at 75 cents a piece. So I think if you can get under 10 bucks, that's usually what my goal is, to try to get my hauls under 10 bucks, especially like Walmart hauls. So I was pretty good. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I am pretty excited to try this toothpaste. That's the #1 thing I was excited for. So yeah, and like I said, it's always good to go to the store and only spend under 10 bucks, because some people will go pay $7 for this and another person will pay $4 for this. So these 2 items are pretty much what I just bought. You know, so I'm just saying it pays, and it's good to sometimes, you know, pay. But I was excited. Hopefully next week is a better week. I thought it was going to be awesome because it was the beginning of the month, but apparently it was not. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next Thursday. See you later. Bye-bye.